Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Love the convenience and speed of Apple's MagSafe Charger, but hate how hot it gets? You might want to check out the new InvisiBoost Charger. Featuring innovative new Freezemat technology, it's considerably cooler when charging your phone, but with its made for MagSafe certification, it's able to deliver true 15-watt charging speed. Plus, it comes with a convenient little kickstand. It's a bit on the thick side, but it definitely comes with some useful functionality. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the contents of the box, which by the way is quite a nice box. Banks has some really premium packaging going on here. So we have the charger itself, and then we have an integrated 1.8 meter long cable. This is almost twice as long as the cable that you're going to find on Apple's MagSafe Charger, and it's a whole lot nicer as well. This is a nice braided cable as opposed to the standard white cable that you're going to have on Apple's MagSafe Charger. This is USB-C as well, so that is excellent. Overall, just really nice. So looking at the charger itself, this has a material in it called Freezemat, and Freezemat does something where it manages to pull water out of the air to add extra cooling to your device. So when you look at this on Banks's website, you'll see that there's all kinds of water vapor surrounding it and whatever. In use, I did not notice any water vapor or anything like that coming out of this, but what I did notice is that it is much cooler in operation. So Apple's MagSafe Charger is hot, hot, hot. This one is not. It's warm, but it is not hot, so it definitely works better there, and it's going to charge your phone at least as fast, if not a bit faster, as compared to Apple's MagSafe Charger. So overall, really nice. Yeah, it's thick. It's definitely thick, but other than that, I think that there is a lot to be said for this product. You've got this nice little kickstand here. Works quite well, very sturdy, and overall, really quite an innovative design. Using the InvisiBoost Charger to charge your phone is extremely easy. First off, you do need to plug it into at least a 20-watt charger. One is not included, so you might want to use something like Anker's 20-watt charger here. That's one of my favorite 20-watt chargers. They've got a regular version and then also one which is dual port, so really nice, reliable chargers there. So you got to plug that in and then plug it into a power outlet, and then simply stick it onto the back of a MagSafe compatible phone, either a naked iPhone or one in a MagSafe compatible case. You can optionally use the kickstand. You don't have to, but it is a nice thing to have. Very sturdy, works really well. So in my testing, this was very fast and remarkably cool. Again, you're going to get full 15-watt charging speed here, and this is going to charge just as fast, if not faster, than Apple's MagSafe Charger, and it's going to be a whole lot cooler. I really appreciate that because although I do love MagSafe charging, it does tend to be hot, and with this magic Freezemat material on here, you definitely get some cooler charging. This is going to give you a 50% charge for your iPhone 13 Pro in 1 hour, very similar to what Apple's charger is going to, but again, it's going to do it a whole lot cooler. Got a very nice magnetic connection here, nice and tight, no issues there. Overall, really quite a nice product, but of course it is thicker. You're going to say that, I know you are, and that's the first thing that I thought when I saw this product. However, it's just well made and really quite useful. So if you want to compare the silhouette of this and Apple's MagSafe Charger, no question, Apple's MagSafe Charger is a lot sleeker, a lot smaller. However, it's going to run a lot hotter, and the fact that you have such a short cord on it does, in my opinion, make it irritating. I find I don't use Apple's MagSafe Charger nearly as much as I should because I find that I'm always kind of pulling it out of the wall when I do use it because I expect that cord to be longer than it actually is. So I really appreciate the fact that the InvisiBoost Charger has almost twice as long a cord. I think that that is extremely helpful. The InvisiBoost Charger is going to be available initially on Indiegogo, priced at $39, and then presumably on the Banks website sometime after that. Banks is also planning on releasing other products featuring Freezemat. They already have a Freezemat case available, so stay tuned there. Many thanks to the kind folks at Banks for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.